Hey guys, Mike, IronTrap Garage, and we are finally getting started on my 30 Ford Cabriolet project. Matt is on his way over with the truck and trailer. The Pagoda City Coupe is inside. It is going to live in my little home garage until we get this thing as a roller, and then we'll bring it back here for me to work on. But we have my 34 floor section and frame here. I just uncovered it, got the tarp off, but my shed behind my house houses all the body panels. So I got to trudge through about 4 inches of snow and bring all the body panels up here. So when Matt arrives, we can throw it in the truck, head back to the shop, and get this thing mocked up on the empty frame table. So I got my boots on, I got my gloves. Let's go digging through some snow.
Like a after we get it together thing.
So, I forgot we had actually kind of depot too.
Oh yeah, because we weren't sure which ones to use. Had to hold on to those.
Actually not that heavy.
Oh no!
Really rare Cabriolet dash. This thing's gonna need some attention too.
It's already cut out for gauge.
Speedo gauge is
This battery's fine. 6 years old too. So not driving it much.
going backwards. Much easier than the Mercury. I might need to move that saw. The rockers aren't too bad on this.
Yeah, it's just 4-door. So.
Let's set this off to the side.
Stand it up on the side of here. Just lay it down.
That's the neighbor's song.
Heavy now, remember?
It's gotta be worth something. Let me.
Go ahead.
I didn't know if there was going to be enough room.
Set it down on the ground. Yeah, let's just pull this towards me, and then let's go back with the whole frame.
That's over there.
Okay, that would work, because we could use these, the motor mounts as our uprights here. We could even put a stud or something
That's true.
there.
So what we'll do is you had this the other way, but we'll put it just flat.
Maybe. I had it just like that.
Oh, you had it floated.
So I had it, no, I had
Looks like this was tacked there. facing that way.
it was, you're right.
It's a model I'm not sure. If you want to hold this, I'll pick the frame up. I take your tire plates off.
Or can you slide it forward enough to even in front of the plates?
That one's not sitting.
No, it's not. It's sitting on top of
I
it.
can't afford it anymore from that. Oh crap.
See a tool I lost.
No, I missed the first time. I moved it out.
Right here, there's a scribe I've been missing for like years. It's like my favorite scribe, and I've been missing it for
Does it
years.
have a magnetic bottom to it?
Yeah.
That's great. You want me to tack on the backside too?
Yeah, I would probably put. We can just burn it in. It'll just put like 2 here and then 2 there. Make sure you get good ones in though, because they're.
Yeah, but someone's a new liner already.
Stand in front of you so you don't get residual. Amplify it. It's like it's bouncing off of somehow. And your eyes will be itchy tomorrow, and you'll be like, why are my eyes itchy? I must have allergies. But it won't be allergies, it'll be welder's flash. Alright, ready? I can grab it. I'm good. It's good. I can see the hole. That must have been what I did that for. So then you can pretty much center the. It's pretty close there. Also, if you're like at a weird angle, it might not set the sensor. Yeah, see, as we go further back, it's a little off, so that's telling me that probably back there is the problem.
Probably just stick a shim,
Yeah,
drive a
on
shim
one
in.
side.
So tack weld this where it's at.
Yeah, because that front cross member is.
Dead nuts.
Do is loosen this clamp and I can change this.
Yeah, it's the same with the leaf spring. It's like, if it's favoring one side, how my clamp is, it will go up to that side. channel that.
No, it makes sense. Actually, this is affordable. The one, the steering box is almost right there.
Yeah. I can almost guarantee that's what it was. We can figure out where it's supposed to be. We can. So, I have a, let's see, temporary.
Slide all the way forward. No, on this frame, sit on top of the frame, all the way forward. Yeah, just to hold the back of it.
Get me.
So you know what you do? Put the plan.
Yeah. Well, I was going to get one down here. So, pointed, right around the front here, there's a pointed one. So, not sure what's on that side.
No feet on it.
Down here, I can grab in there and I can pull it forward.
So that's. Well, the bracket's hitting there.
The door just has to come up. If you climb in, I could probably give it a push in. Here's the screwdriver.
You alright?
Yes.
These are our official door pins.
Yep, for a little while, that's what some door pins are gonna be. Alright, so I need to push out on the door. Okay. Now if you hand me a clamp, I can go right on your brackets here.
If you want to come down, actually. Just like that. Done. Got the back clamped.
Looks like a,
We could just have you stand in there and your head will be about the right height.
What's actually great is when I sat in it before, there was no frame, so I like couldn't tell. So I could sit on like a box or a milk crate.
You need a bigger car.
That's why I did this. Plenty of room.
all the way across. Put that all the way across.
Put this on top.
And to be the perfect ride height. There you go, there's your seat. Okay, alright.
Let's send those size 14s up through the firewall.
It's not bad.
It can go a little bit.
Yeah, I think you'll be all right once you raise it up.
Well, dude, there's so much room in this car.
Yeah.
Like insanity.
You fit your wife and your girlfriend in there.
I mean, look how much room's still behind me.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be killer.
What do you think about?
Yeah, you're gonna have to like almost sit on the floor with a chopped windshield, man. Or lean back. You know?
Well, there's plenty of room to lean back.
Yeah.
Where do the pedals mount?
It's got to be sitting really low because there's so much headroom normally in a 34, but I don't know on a Cabriolet. But I feel like
you can measure the windshield opening and see if they're about the same. 'Cause the cowls are physically the same.
How do you fit in this?
Fine. There's like 6 inches above my head.
Plus leg room, right?
Yeah. Legroom's a little tight, but Matt has the seat more forward.
Don't look at the seat back. It's about.
Well, there's also a package tray.
It's basically the same.
Is it? Yeah.
About 12-ish inches.
Factory, there's normally a package tray that sits here. Which I don't know about
the
roads.
same. So the whole cow must be way too low.
I don't know.
Just by nature, I always channel it.
Yeah. Have you seen any Roadsters? Do they have a package tray in them like that?
Yeah, I think there's a little tray. Like this car you can see still has
Yeah.
this. There's like a little tiny piece that goes in.
All right, so we got the body all braced up. We have about a dozen welding clamps and a few screwdrivers holding the body to the frame right now. It is a little lower than it should be, but there was no feet on the cow. So we kind of just placed it roughly where it wanted to live. We are a very long ways away from seeing this thing doing this on its own. The floor is outside. I need to cut some bits and pieces off of it. I ordered new reproduction rocker strips that go under the door and a few other things. So next time I'm gonna work on cutting all the old rusty stuff off of that floor, keeping the cow feet that we need, the rest can go. And then we're gonna work on getting the floor bolted to the frame, and then we're gonna start in the front, just work our way back and try and get this thing a little bit more solid and kind of sitting on its own. The goal by the maybe mid-spring is to have this thing all bolted together with 0 welding clamps. There's a lot of work to do. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.